Narendra Modi has successfully completed 11 years in office. He first took oath as the Prime Minister of India on the 26th of May in 2014 and has since been elected to the position twice. Owing to a strong popular mandate, his decisions have been unprecedented and unimaginable. But one can't deny his role in powering India to become the fourth largest economy, to catapult India to one of the world's leading voices in every field in modern day.
नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा।
It was around this time 11 years ago, the country's Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, took the reins of India for the very first time. He took an oath to build a new India in his own way. "11 years have passed and many things have changed. Policies have changed, attitudes have changed. India's reputation has changed in the whole world. And the biggest change that was seen was that, under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, along with being the fourth economic superpower of the world, India has also become confident, fearless, bold, strong and powerful. And India has used this power in full force through Operation Sindoor as a retaliation against the terror attack of Pakistan. Not only did we show our might to the world, but also made them accept our strength and brought our neighbor Pakistan a shelter for terrorism to its knees."
हमारी नीति आतंकवाद के खिलाफ जीरो टॉलरेंस की है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने इस नीति को और स्पष्ट कर दिया है। जो भी भारतीयों का खून बहाने की कोशिश करेगा, उसको उसकी भाषा में ही जवाब दिया जाएगा।
The whole world saw, and Pakistan, which had been threatening nuclear attack, also understood that getting into a tussle with India is a bad idea. The terror attack in Pahalgam proved to be its biggest and last mistake. India not only destroyed 9 big terrorist bases by entering Pakistan's home, but also gave a befitting reply to Pakistan's retaliation in panic and blew up its 11 air bases and gave such a wound that it will not be able to erase from the pages of its history.
भारत के टारगेट पर आतंकवादियों के हेडक्वार्टर थे। सैकड़ों किलोमीटर अंदर जाकर के अगल बगल में किसी का भी नुकसान हुए बिना सीधी चोट करके आ गए। सटीक वार किया। ये दिखाता है कि हमारी सेना कितनी सक्षम और कितनी अनुशासित है। हमने दुनिया को दिखाया कि हम आतंकवाद के अड्डों को, उनके ठिकानों को यहां बैठे बैठे मिट्टी में मिला सकते हैं।
In September 1960, the Indus Water Treaty was signed in Karachi between the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistani Military General Ayub Khan, under which India used to get 19.5% of water from Indus and its tributaries, while Pakistan used to get about 80% of the water. But the Prime Minister of the country, Narendra Modi, cancelled this treaty. The lifeline of Pakistan was green and flourishing because of the water of this river. But now, Pakistan is craving for every drop. Pakistan's internal chaos laid bare, massive protests have broken out in the Moro city of Sindh province. Demonstrators torched the residence of Sindh's Home Minister Ziaul Hasan Lanjar.
मोदी का दिमाग ठंडा है, ठंडा रहता है, लेकिन मोदी का लहू गर्म होता है। और अब तो मोदी की नसों में लहू नहीं, गरम सिंदूर बह रहा है। अब भारत ने दो टूक साफ कर दिया है। हर आतंकी हमले की पाकिस्तान को भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी और ये कीमत पाकिस्तान की सेना चुकाएगी, पाकिस्तान की अर्थव्यवस्था चुकाएगी। पाकिस्तान के साथ न ट्रेड होगा न टॉक। अगर बात होगी तो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के कब्जे वाले कश्मीर की, पीओके की। और अगर पाकिस्तान ने आतंकियों को एक्सपोर्ट करना जारी रखा तो उसको पाई पाई के लिए मोहताज होना होगा। पाकिस्तान को भारत के हक का पानी नहीं मिलेगा।
Pakistan has been cornered and crippled either by a drought or a flood within a month. The cost of handling both disasters has shattered its economy. The situation is so dire that the Pakistan Institute of International Affairs in Karachi recently held a seminar on the India-Pakistan conflict. The conclusion: Pakistan needs years and billions of dollars to build the infrastructure required to handle this dual crisis. But Pakistan has no money, no time, and no international support. This is not just a diplomatic posture anymore. This is a strategic onslaught. This is the new India, and Pakistan and the rest of the world are now witnessing it.
ये शोध प्रतिशोध का खेल नहीं, ये न्याय का नया स्वरूप है। ये न्याय का नया स्वरूप है। ये ऑपरेशन सिंदूर है। ये सिर्फ आक्रोश नहीं है, ये समर्थ भारत का रौद्र रूप है। ये भारत का नया स्वरूप है। पहले घर में घुसकर किया था वार, अब सीधा सीने पर किया प्रहार है।
Well, with that, it's time for us to slip into a quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.